I was born with a face birthmark. They just kind of look and stare, following me with their eyes. People making comments saying that I looked like I'd been hit in the face. I think when I was growing up, I felt very much alone because nobody really understood what I was going through as a person. I would describe my birthmark as skin pigmentation, something that doesn't hurt. I'm a project specialist at Sephora. There's this whole family almost of people that are just like, we're gonna appreciate you, we're gonna care for you just as you are, just being yourself. Growing up, I discovered Sephora when I was in high school, and I even have my first Beauty Insider card. When I was exploring makeup, there were a lot of times where I would just try to cover it completely, and I didn't get as many stares. But at the same time, I didn't feel like I was being my true self. Society has put a lot of pressure on women as to how we should look, how we should feel, how we should be. And when I was younger, I felt the need to cover up. But when I look in the mirror now, I wouldn't want to change that because that's what's made me who I am today. And now, whenever I wear foundation, it's just to mostly even things out. I still enjoy doing liners, I still enjoy my brows, but I like my fresh face as well. It's such a wonderful feeling to just be me.